Going over to down south to pick up a piece of machinery. All I'm interested in is the hydraulic part of it and some other metal. So yeah, we're gonna head down there and use the winch to pick it up. So we're gonna test that thing out. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, now we can tighten it up. Oh, let me see. Is it filled? Oh, yeah. Now we hook it from the bottom.
No, tighten it up right now.
Tighten it up?
Yeah, tighten it up. Let's go ahead and try.
That thing goes.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, come on. That's good? I think so. At least
You're on center of this axle here.
That's awesome.
Before you guys go, I got to open this door. I want to show you something.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, I didn't think it would be that easy.
Thank you very much.
I make it look easy.
Thank you.
That was good.
Oh, wow.
Let's shackle her down. Freaking.
That winch does not play. Look at what we just picked up. It's gonna be cleaned up, but I should have like 4 chains. Rigo, please don't let me forget the camera.
Yeah, set it.
Come on, let's do it.
I'm going to show you something you've never seen before in your life. Probably 2 things you've never seen before.
I'm ready. At this point, we went inside, and he showed us. He took a Pontiac car. I forget the model, but he took the front, the hood part, and the trunk, and shrunk it, and he made a trike with the motorcycle front, and he used the engine and all the controls from the car to make this trike, and among other things, he showed us a lot of different things in there. He also was in a flood down in Fort Lauderdale. They had the airport was underwater. He had like 12 inches of water all inside there, so it ruined a lot of his stuff. But yeah, he had a lot of nice things in there. No, that's water. That's water. That's no big deal. All right, let's tie it up. But yeah, oh man, I'm so glad we got it in.
Yeah,
I probably won't even use this machine when it's intended. Because what I'm interested in is the cylinder in that. Because I have a 25-ton press and I might use that for. So I don't know.
Well, you know I have other hydraulic cylinders.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've got them sitting in the floor.
How long? How big?
Depends on how big you want them.
Well, I need something small actually.
Well, I think the smallest I have is probably a 2-foot stroke. 2-foot stroke? Yeah. Maybe it's that'd be a 20-inch stroke.
tighten it, but tight. Okay. Okay.
That's an oldie.
That's an oldie.
That's kind of had in the Air Force.
I like it. You want it? Okay, I'll take it. This is how, when I worked at Sears, when I started in electronics, I worked at Sears, this is what we had.
And every time you used it, you had to calibrate it.
This is awesome. Yeah.
You had to zero it in
Yeah,
every time.
yeah.
Especially on the ohms.
Yeah, but you know what? That'll probably go on the shelf.
All right, yeah.
You know,
Sure.
that'll go on the shelf. Things, you know, I don't like to throw it away. I like to see it, you know.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Hey, we're testing as well.
It breaks off, you gotta weld it.
You know, hooked in. On that side. Why don't you hook it here? Look. Hook it like somewhere around there.
Oh!
Let me pick it up.
You got to, because you're hitting the metal. Damn, that thing pulled it back quick. You just have to lift it a little bit.
Oh,
It's on the lip. Yeah? Go back. Okay.
I'm not pulling it. It's coming by itself.
Okay, it's gonna hit the floor. You gotta go down. Just go down.
Feel me?
Yeah.
Well, I got an idea.
You could probably go back with the van. You gotta get the chain off, that's all. Can you get...
But I wanna.
Yeah, but once you get the chain off and you back up a little bit, then you can lift it.
I wonder if I can push it back on there.
Buddy. You think it'll bend that shaft?
If it hits on it, oh yeah. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push it up.
Try. Don't lift it though. Push into it and then lift it. Push into it, then lift it. Oh. Back up just a little bit. Oh my God. Back up a little bit.
You don't want to back up. You don't want this to fall. Now we can let it down.
Hold on.
What?
I'm gonna get the chain off.
No.
Yeah, and then you just bring it down with this. Because if you leave the chain on, you're not gonna get it off. Just, yeah, I am. There you go. Here, I'll give you the other side.
Temperature, everything.
Hey, Garrett's welds are holding up. Hey, bring the forks above it so you don't stab it. There you go. Can you hold it?
Huh?
Hold it.
Fine.
I can push it.
Just don't get behind me.
I am, but I'm on the trailer. I got it.
All right, push it to me. Fine. Keep coming. Keep coming. Leave it. Let it go. I need to open that side. Open that. Did you push it? Huh? Push it forward a little bit?
Up a little bit. Yeah, good.
We should change it and go with that hump. Alright, on the next one, you're going to see us cutting this up, getting rid of the hydraulics, and so I hope you enjoy the video.